Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha Khalid and welcome to my channel Math Madness by Aisha Khalid. So in today's video, we're going to start with logs and we're going to do the basic rules that are required for P3, and then we're also going to do a couple of questions. All right. So number one rule is log to index form. So if it says log A B is equals to C, so this is my base to the power equals to the coefficient, right? So my formula is base to the power is equals to coefficient. So how do we make it? Base to the power is equals to the coefficient. So that's how we convert. For example, if you have log 3, 9 equals to x. So 3 to the power x equals to 9. Log x 4 equals to 2. So base to the power is equals to the coefficient. Rule number 2. This is rule number 1. Rule number 2 says log AA is equals to 1. Log 2 is equals to 1. And prove it through index form. Base to the power is equals to the coefficient. So when these two are same, the entire thing becomes equal to 1. Rule number 3, log A1 is equals to 0. When the coefficient is 0, the entire log function becomes 0. Prove it through index form. Base to the power is equals to 1. Rule number 4. Rule number 4 says log ABC. This is called product rule. When two numbers are multiplying, how do we open them up? Log AB plus log AC. Okay. Another rule. Rule number 5. Same thing with minus division. Division opens up with a minus sign. Rule number 6. Rule number 6 means log xp. This power n can come down and become the coefficient. And it can also go up and become the power. So it can move vice versa. Rule number 7. ln means log to the base e. Rule number 8. Lg means log to the base 10. We call this as natural log. And we say this is common log. Okay, so if you have something like ln 4x plus 1 equals to 2. So we can just, we know that the base is e here. So base to the power is equals to coefficient. We're using the first rule. And for a shortcut form, we learn that when we have to shift ln to the other side, it becomes 4x plus 1 is equals to e power 2. Similarly, for LG, when we have LG 2x plus 1 equals to minus 1, so LG means that the base is 10. So when LG goes on the other side, becomes 10 to the power minus 1. And then you can solve this linear equation. All right, now, another important thing is breaking the indices and using substitution. Okay. If you have 3x plus 1, can you write as 3 power x into 3 power 1, which is like 3 into 3 power x? So you should know how to break the indices. A plus means that it can be written like this. Okay, next thing. 9 power x. 9 power x can be written as 3 power square. And power over a power, they multiply. It can also be written as 3x to the power whole square. So for example, okay, when you have 3 power minus x, it can be written as 1 upon 3 power x. And when do we use substitution? We use substitution when you have unknowns in the powers and they cannot be resolved simply. For example, if you have 3 power x plus 9 power x plus 1 equals to 5. Now, this equation cannot be resolved because there's a plus and minus and there's an unknown in the power. You cannot apply logs directly because there is plus in between. So what do? We use substitution. We say 3 power x equals to y. We break the indices. How do we break the indices? 9 power x into 9 power 1 equals to 5. 3 power x plus 9 can be written as 3 power 2x into 9. Now 3 power x plus 3 power x to the whole square into 9. Now let's put the substitution. Y plus 9, we're putting y here, there's a whole square here, equals to 5. 9y square plus 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So we've turned it into a quadratic equation which can be solved. And then for example, let's suppose y value comes out to be, not suppose, we will find, I found the answers, 0.691, and my value of y comes minus 0.8. What is y? Y is 3 to the power x. A negative will be rejected. And what will we do with the positive thing? We will apply log on both the sides. And when we apply log or cells, we always apply LG because that's a common law. Power comes down, and this goes on the other side and divides. So therefore, using the calculator, log 0.691 divided by log 3 gives you minus 0.336. That's going to be my value of x, which was almost impossible to solve without substitution because the equation was very complex. But substitution helps us to solve it very easily. Now, just to give you a quick thing, 3 power x equals to 13. How can you solve this? LG 13 divided by LG 3 equals to x. So we apply log on both the sides. You know the power comes down and LG 3 goes on the other side and divides. 2 power 2x plus 1 minus 5 equals to 7. Take this minus 5 to the other side, it becomes a plus 5, meaning it becomes 12. Now apply log on both the sides. The power comes down. So LG 12 divided by LG 2 minus 1, and whatever answer you get, divide the answer by 2 to get the value of x. So these are just different examples, techniques that I'm teaching you that you require to solve logs questions. And you will understand more techniques while we start doing past paper questions. Now stay tuned to my next video where I will discuss log questions. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.